I'm just driving and you listen, these are the squeak from the sunroof and moonroof. So if you have this, I'll show you how to fix it. All you need to do, open the sunroof and just lubricate all the seals around here. It's really important not to use any petroleum product. You may want to use a designated rubber care product grease lubricate. Never something like grease or something like this, because I don't have such product. I will use a silicone grease which is completely synthetic. Anything other than synthetic will destroy the rubber here, so don't use anything bad, and you just give it a small smear. There you go, problem solved. Dead quiet.